Want to permanently delete your Gmail or Google account? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step processes to delete your Google account from your PC or laptop. But be noted, deleting your Google account will be deleted your old Google services as well. So let's begin. So now I'm here in my Gmail account, and I just want to delete this account. So now, to do that, simply just go ahead and head over to your profile icon over here, and then click on Manage your Google account. From this Action tab, go ahead and click on Data and Privacy. Once you get that, scroll down all the way from here until you get this option called More Options. So over here, you'll get to see the Delete Your Google Account option. So just go ahead and click over here. It might ask you for the password. Well, from now, just go ahead and enter your current password and then press Enter. And after that, it's going to give you a prompt like this, and it is notifying you that you can easily download your data before deleting your account. And after that, go ahead and read the notice from here before deleting your account. And if you scroll down a little bit from here, you'll get to see which content will be deleted after deleting your account. Once you are done with this one, scroll down all the way from here and it'll get to see two boxes to be checked. You just go ahead and check mark this option in order to accept the terms and conditions, and then go ahead and click on Delete Account. Well, so this is how you can delete your Google account from your PC or laptop. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.